I'd like to welcome a man who was a young Turk himself once upon a time. From his beginning in Mercedes-Benz in 1986 to today, he's come a long way. Please join me in welcoming Peter Honeck, Managing Director and CEO, Mercedes-Benz India. Peter.
Good evening to everybody, and I'm very proud to host this Young Turk Award. As everybody, I stopped a little bit thinking, and I Googled what does Young Turk mean, and that you are a very progressive, aggressive, and very, very successful man. I really appreciate it. Dhanyavad, and enjoy the evening.
All right, thank you, Peter. We'll see you back on stage soon. Our chief, tremendous impact in the short span of 17 years. He's a technology veteran who oversees his company's growth at both the strategy and the operation levels. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming the President and Managing Director of Global Delivery at Cognizant, Chandrasekaran. Chandra, can we have you on stage?
Thank you, and a very good evening to all of you. You know, in the Western world, there are several forums that recognize young entrepreneurs for their success. Unfortunately, in India, we don't have many such forums. So it is in that context, I really appreciate the efforts of CNBC for having spearheaded this Young Turks recognition for the last 10 years, as Shireen mentioned. You choose your path, stay focused, and be the best in whatever you do. So that's why even in 2008, 2009, when the recession was hurting the whole industry, we still recorded a good, healthy growth, despite having 75% of our business from the US and almost 45% of our business coming from one industry segment, which is financial services. The second most important thing is the talent. You know, without talent, there's nothing much we can accomplish in our own business. It's not only the ability to attract the right talent, but even more important, it is to retain them. Even if I look at the top 25 management team members, they all have been with the company for at least 13 to 15 years out of the 17-year period. Right? That shows the character and the strength of the organization, ability to retain talent, which is very, very important. And third is, in business, we are all interested in making money, but it is also equally important to reinvest back in the business so that we can grow faster than the competition. That was the philosophy that we undertook in Cognizant in 1998 when we went public. And we have not deviated from that philosophy even today. The net result is we have been actually exceeding investors' expectations for the last 50 quarters. I can go on and on, but I would stop here. Once again, wish the winners of the Young Turk Award all the very best and congratulations. Thank you.